Hi guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com and we've got the product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up to date with all the different products of the week and any other videos we might be uploading very soon. So this week's product of the week, if you hadn't already guessed, it's the WineXpert Reserved Wine Kits. And we've got a few different variations of flavors and they're all country specific. So for example, this is Australian Chardonnay. The grape juice actually comes from Australia. What else have we got? We've got a Californian Sauvignon Blanc, Italian Pinot Grigio, and a fair few others as well. So what are we doing this week? We're offering these to you at a special price of $74.99, and that includes your free delivery. And this is 10 litres of concentrated grape juice. It takes about 6 to 8 weeks to ferment up and get them into the bottles. And then a few months down the line, you will have fantastic tasting wine. These are some of the best wine kits I've actually made so far, and I will highly endorse these wine kits. So go for it, $74.99. If they're out of stock, then you can pre-order them and we'll get extra stock in especially for you. And as soon as they arrive, we'll ship them out to you. As I said, free delivery. So what else can I say? Not much. Go and grab yourself a WineXpert wine kit. I'll put a link up here so that you can go straight to it and buy a WineXpert Reserve wine kit. And then all you got to do is brew it, leave it a couple of months, and then you can enjoy some fantastic WineXpert Reserve wines. But for now, happy brewing.